Have you ever applied for a credit card, gotten excited about the rewards, and then noticed something strange on your credit report? Maybe an inquiry you didn't remember making? Well, if you're a Capital One customer, that might have rung a very real and unnerving bell in 2019. That's right, Capital One, a major bank trusted by millions of Americans, experienced a massive data breach. But what exactly happened, and how did it impact customers? Buckle up, because this story goes beyond a simple security lapse. In July 2019, Capital One announced they'd been hacked. An outside intruder gained access to the personal information of a whopping 98 million people in the United States. That's nearly one-third of the entire adult population. The exposed data included names, addresses, phone numbers, and even social security numbers for millions. But how did this breach happen? The culprit wasn't some sophisticated hacking ring, but a former Amazon Web Services employee with a concerning amount of programming knowledge. Paige A. Thompson, the individual responsible, exploited a misconfiguration in Capital One's cloud storage on Amazon's platform. Think of it like this: imagine storing all your valuables in a fancy digital safe deposit box. This box has layers of security, but there's a tiny hidden keyhole you forgot about. Thompson, with her tech skills, found that keyhole and waltzed right in. The fallout was significant. Capital One faced lawsuits, investigations, and hefty fines. They had to offer credit monitoring and identity theft protection to affected customers, a scramble that caused frustration and worry. But beyond the financial repercussions, the breach shattered trust. Capital One prides itself on being a customer-centric bank. They built their brand on convenience, speed, and a focus on innovation. This data breach painted a different picture, one of vulnerability and a lack of robust security measures. However, the story doesn't end there. Capital One went into damage control mode. They revamped their security protocols, tightened their cloud storage configurations, and invested heavily in data protection. They also offered extensive support to affected customers attempting to regain trust. So, where are we today? Capital One has made strides in improving its security posture. Legal settlements have been reached, and the bank is working to rebuild its reputation. But the scars of the breach remain. This incident serves as a stark reminder for all financial institutions: consumer data is sacred, and cybersecurity needs to be a top priority. It's also a cautionary tale for us, the consumers. We need to be vigilant about protecting our personal information, monitoring our credit reports, and being cautious when sharing data online. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and stay safe.